A little cold start for y'all. This is ridiculous. I know that shit sounds crazy. I low-key hate it like with a passion right now, yo. But I'm gonna go like to the shop right now. It's like 8 something. Just stay in tune, I guess. We're back. So it's the next day. I'm actually just getting that put on because dude, this shit setup sound disgusting. It's basically a fucking straight pipe, bro. I low-key want this flex pipe going because I feel like this is gonna rot out also. But I mean, shit, whatever, bro. It's whatever for now. But damn, hella, this shit dirty as hell. So I'm about to just put that in there, and hopefully it sound better. Like just right here in the middle. Yeah. Cause I think that's the reason it sound like that. Like I think that's gonna just change the tone a little bit. You know what I mean? So we're getting that all cut out or whatever. And yeah, this is tough, bro. Badass job, bro. Damn, bro. So yeah, this shit sounds so beautiful. Mine didn't sound nothing like that. That's crazy, bro. His VQ sounded so gorgeous, yo. That's how I want my shit to sound. What's up with that shit? But, well, I'm gonna keep you guys posted on the whole job. He's getting this cut right now. Yeah. That shitty ass setup. Fuck, man. I was getting welded in and all that. So, I mean, they're welding the white pipe, and then that's gonna get put on. That fits way better than that ugly shit right there. So, yeah, we're gonna see what it is. So, just stay in tune. Y'all see all that happening right now. So, stay in tune for the process, whatever. Okay, and he's making the white pipe, so the last piece. So. White pipe and then we gone. I'm kind of he doing this overtime for me, man. So I mean, if y'all need y'all exhaust done, bro, dead ass, hit me up for him, cause bro, it's my guy right here, bro. He's cool as hell. He's cool as hell. Like you gonna do your shit. He'll do a good ass job. He's doing a good ass job of mine. He did a good ass job with this, but it just didn't give me the results that I wanted. So I mean, bro, if y'all are in the area, in Chicago area, and need an exhaust done, bro, weld it on, and you're gonna see how this sounds after this. So you're gonna see how it looks and sounds after this. So I mean, if y'all are in Chicago and y'all need something, bro, need anything done, bro, hit this guy up right here, bro, or hit me up so I could bring you here and then show you that you are like Rojo Squad or JoJo Squad or whatever, you know what I mean? Like y'all with me, y'all know me, and he'll hook y'all up because he know me, he fucks with me, and he already hooked up a lot of my friends too. He hooked up my boy Justin with the muffler delete on the Kona. I'm sorry I didn't really show that, and then he hit my boy up Ryan with his BMW. So I mean, bro, like this guy cool as hell, and he's working overtime for me right now, bro. He's probably like 30 minutes overtime right now. So I mean, bro, please, like, just hit me up if y'all need y'all exhaust done, y'all exhaust sounded. I don't know if y'all heard that GTR that was in the video earlier, but bro, he did that too. So I mean, shit, you know what he's doing, bro. But all right, stay in tune to the whole process. He's just making that white pipe, then we're gonna be going. Guess he's gonna start it from up here. Watch this. First. Definitely leaking though for the first start, but it sounded good though. That was his fault, bro. He forgot to weld one part, that's why. So it sounded like that. But after this, it should be way better. It should be way better after this. So we're gonna hear that.
Dale gas, güey.
Sound way better, right?
Dale gas.
Yeah, deeper. Still a little leak, but it sounds way better now. It sounds way better.
Yo no sé cómo le hacen para soldar ahí ustedes, la neta. Ya vi que
Yeah, y'all hear that pour, yo? Hear that? Hear that? What that say? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, everything running. Injectors. Everything quiet up here. That's how I like it. Everything quiet until you get back there. That's it. Y'all, so I am back in the crib. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can. You guys hear that mug roaring right now. So yeah, I just started it. So it is a cold start. You guys see that? Yeah. So basically, I forgot to end the video. So I am trying to end it now. I'm sorry that I'm, kind of busy. I'm on my way to work. But this is, what pays the cost to be the boss, I guess. But you guys hear it rumbling. I hope you guys can still hear me over this rumble. Maybe I'll do a little bit of revs for you guys and a pool, maybe. You guys hear that music? No key. What the fuck? It's giving me all type of warnings in that bitch. Anyways, but yeah, so maybe I'll give you guys some pulls in my car while I drive off or whatever. But I just want to end the video basically. So make sure you follow the gram, Rojo Cars Inc. We need all the followers we can get. We are at like 600 something right now. And subscribe to the channel because we definitely need all the subscribers that we need and that we could get because we need to get monetized and we need to get you guys see me in the window. We need to get monetized and we need to grow because our channel is doing really good and we need to just get help growing. So that would help and I would appreciate that a lot and it will help me do more things like finishing exhaust and surprise things that may happen. You guys see my wheels in the cut and tires. I don't know if you guys ever seen that yet, but wheels and tires. But that's basically the end of this video. Maybe I'll do a couple pulls for you guys. And yeah, I mean, shit. I'm on my way to work, so here's the end of the video. All right, y'all. All right, so I can give you guys a little pull, a little downshifting in the pull. You guys ready? Ready? Open up the windows a little bit. You guys ready? that's it. All right, end of the video. Nothing less to say. Make sure you follow the gram. I'm gonna put it up there right now. And